This is the chart of Leap Wireless, LEAP. This is what it looked like before the open this morning. Oh, about 5 minutes before the opening bell, I noticed this thing getting ready to open. It looked like around 1280. If you look here, this candle from Wednesday, had a high of 1296, and look above that. It did not have much in the way of this thing taking off. So it was in breakout territory. I caught the action in the pre-market right before the open, so added Leap, LEAP, to the watch list in our live trading chat room, told everybody about it. Let's switch to 5-minute candles. Okay, these are the first 4 or 5-minute candles of the day. Notice how the initial high was 1312. The next candle's high 1298. See how they're getting consecutively lower? 1295. And then a nice narrow, and they're also getting more and more narrow. So I love this because it increases it makes our odds better on a risk-reward basis on where our trigger and where our stop's going to go. Because the candle's becoming more and more narrow, we're going to buy the first break of a previous 5-minute candle's high, and our stop's going to go below the previous 5-minute candle's low. So when they start getting more and more narrow like this, I love it, especially after that gap up in the longer term chart the way it looked. So then this high was 1293, and at this point I called it in chat 1294 trigger. Worst case stop 1284. That's a dime risk. And let me scroll to the right here, show you what the very next 5-minute candle looked like. Popped up to 12.99, and I'm just going to zoom out now, and you can see there's that 12.99. It was off to the races after that pretty quickly to 13.65, scaled out some into this, and ultimately it went all the way to 14.39. So we told our members this could short squeeze, and biggest trade of the day right there. Something like 11%, 12% profit potential. With a dime risk. You gotta love that. So Leap was the trade of the day. We had several small ones today. Didn't do much in the afternoon because of options expiration. Things get a little bit weird. But it didn't really matter. When we had a trade like this to start the day, I really didn't care if I had any more trades. So we will send out a free pick, not over the Thanksgiving week because volume's going to be too light, but the following week we'll be sending out a free pick. So if we don't talk to you before then, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you soon.